Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello, via KGR. I'm here today about to work on this vehicle. It's a 2013 Lincoln MKT. We're gonna be replacing the starter. Here is the starter right there, right from AutoZone. I'm gonna bring you guys along how to do this job. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. Having said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. Go ahead. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off this battery. The starter is located right underneath here, but we're going to take off this battery completely. We're going to yank out the battery out completely. So let me... Anytime you take it off a battery, make sure you take off the negative for the positive, so that you don't get in trouble, you don't blow up yourself and say, KG, you didn't tell me to do that first. I'm telling you now. So let me get my gun and go ahead and for the purpose of the video, I'm going to take off this battery. I'm going to yank it out completely. And I'm going to take off this hair box. So let me take off this battery. I'm going to yank it out completely. Take it out. I'm going to come here, take off this air box. Okay, I'll disconnect this guy right here. Take off this guy completely. Use this now. Break it. I'll show you that. So take off this board. Okay, there's a clip right here. You see right there? This side, you just have to push this tab like this, pull it out like this, snap it out. The starter is in here, so we're gonna lose this. We're gonna lose this guy right here. As well. So we're going to lose this battery just for the sake of the... Let me show you what I'm going to be doing for the sake of the video. Yeah, I'm going to take off this battery seat, and we have to disconnect this hose because the starter is right there, handy there. So I'm going to take off this. I want to create more room for myself and show a good video as well. All right, so I took out the hair box here and the battery seating. So we're gonna lose this guy right here because the starter is right here. I don't know yet if I have to lose this hose because the starter is gonna be coming up. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to come out like that. But if maybe I'll lose the hose, but we'll see. But we just need to lose this guy right here. As you see, I'll disconnect that and now take it further. All right, so we're going to take off this 13 right here, and we're going to take off this. There's another 10 right here. We're going to take off that. Then the starter bolt is way inside right here. I think it's a 14 bolt, 14 on. Yeah, it's a 14. So now break that loose. Then we'll take off. Like I said before, you have to disconnect the hose. It looks like it's a 13. Oh, there's something that's not part of it. Is this a 14? this guy loose. This one is this tooth is kind of free up. Look like a 14, but 14 is not grabbing it. Yeah, it's a 13. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. To make sure you eat some good food before you do that. See my camera going up and down. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this guy now. Go ahead and run this guy. So they are long bolts. Okay, so let's get this two bolts out. That's one. The other one. Then we can lift up the guard. Then we'll lose this thing right here. Just move this up. Move it up a little bit. Let me break that thing loose then. Get the starter out. Just be mindful about this guy right here. Take out this guy. Snip this guy out of here. It will come on the right. On the right right here. Yeah, there she goes. It's kind of hot a little bit. Alright. There we go. Alright, so let me bring the new one. So this is the new one. And make sure that they are the same. Take off this guy. Take it up completely. So the starter has a little key. A seat upon it. Turn it like this. Make sure that everything looks good. Yeah. Oh.
No.
Okay, so
yeah, they are different.
it looks the same. This one has been here for a while. So. All right, so we'll go ahead and put the new one in. I drop the nut down. Let me look for the new nut. So this one is clip up this guy. Get a good contact. Yeah, really good. And do this as well. Just like you clean up a battery head, you know. That's what I'm doing. For your own car.
No. Yeah, I had the place no, my fees on say.
Oh, you cannot be all that.
Over down.
All right, no one. All right, we'll set you up.
Yeah,
all right. Okay, oh, I'm not seeing I.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, no problem.
I'm gonna get
all right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and so, madam, make you sit down, relax in the car. We'll deal with you. All right, we're going to put the knot here, the 10, and tie that one down just like the same way I did when I took it up. Now it's another 10. Right here. Probably we can even put this one for anything. Let us try to move our way back in there first before we put the other one. So this cable can seems to be a little Yeah.
One is on the side, right?
Yeah, one need the key. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna try to sneak it back in there. Because sometimes this cable can be a problem. All right, we are good. KG is good right there. Lift it up more a little bit. There she goes. And the star is about to sit down. The plane is about to land, baby. Lift it back up. Oh, it didn't get it in. It didn't get it in. Don't get too happy, KG. Don't get too happy. Oh, your plane hasn't landed. Okay. Now we can turn there. See, we land there. We go. Now we fully land. The plane is just landed. There we go. Welcome to the United States of America. The plane just landed, boy. We're arriving right now. Oh yeah, we are arriving, baby. I'm happy. The plane just landed, baby. Okay, see the way the starter is sitting down? That's the way the starter sit down. See there? So we're gonna tie this bolt right here. And we'll tie this one. Then we'll reconnect that. So let me go ahead and do those two things. So we're gonna tie this one right here. This 13. Sorry about the shaking camera. KG need a sponsor. Okay, so now after that we're gonna connect this guy now back and put back the rest in. Starter is sitting right now. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these holes right now. Papa, I was calling you. Yeah, answer me. You break the remote on your dad. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this cover right here. This cover right here, this little thing is going in there. I don't want to move the camera, but yes, you guys, so I'll just explain. So once you get it in, you see that bolt right there, come out there, just have two nuts and one nut and two bolts. All right, and connect all of that. So now we're gonna put this guy. You got two bolts, it goes like this. Two bolts right here. There's a 10. I'm gonna tie that. Then we'll put the air filter. We'll put the battery. Then we'll put the air box. The rest is history, so they say. All right, moment of truth. The battery is in, everything is back in there. Just go ahead and start the car. Make sure the starter was bad. The car dies completely. Yeah, go ahead. Start the car. There we go. 1, 2, 3. KG. Job is done. Right there. Car started. Off the car now. We're gonna put some antifreeze. Good. All right, KG. This is all. The job is done. I hope you learned something today. Like I always say, I love to learn. You know, that's how it goes. Continue to learn, continue to grow. You know, like this one is just a food for thought. They say on top of one mountain is the bottom of the next. You have to keep climbing. Slow is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. Take it slow. KG, love you all. I will see you on my next episode. We are gone. Oh yeah.